Yo friends, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious fish omelette recipe. Hope you like it. I found this recipe online and immediately tried it. I modified the recipe myself and added curry powder, so it tastes very fragrant. Friends who are afraid of spicy food can also accept it because the curry powder is not spicy at all, but it has a very fragrant curry aroma. Save this recipe now so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Let's start cooking. Fish omelette. Ingredients: fish fillets, eggs, mixed beans, pat dry fish fillets, remove fish skin with knife. Cut fish meat into small pieces, then fine chop. Place fish paste into bowl. Seasoning to taste. Add mixed beans. Add eggs into bowl. Mix well. Drizzle cooking oil. Add egg liquid. Place egg into plate once bottom solidified. Flip and place egg into wok. Optional to cut egg into 4 sections. Plate omelette. Let's eat. Omelette tastes great with fish meat and curry fragrant. It's delicious. Optional to add chilies if you like spicy taste. I add mixed bean for this recipe. You may also replace with shredded carrot. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 2,000s of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. 3. Fish contains a variety of nutrients needed by the human body, such as omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein. Oily fish, such as salmon and yellow croaker, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids help prevent coronary heart disease and stroke, and are beneficial to fetal growth and brain nerve development. The benefits of eating eggs are as follows. 1. Helps lose weight. 2. Helps brain health. 3. Protects eyes. 4. Enhances body immunity. 5. Contains healthy fats. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.